Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below or check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the email inbox density. So basically this is like how to change the spacing between the messages. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you'll ever need to do is of course log into your Google account. Then go to Gmail and click this setting icon right here. So as you can see, you can easily identify the density part where you can customize it. So we have here the default, as you can see. We have the comfortable, which is actually quite similar with each other, right? As you can see. And we have here the compact, where you can see that the spacing has been reduced. And unlike default and comfortable, the spacing in compact is much more lesser and smaller. All the emails are like literally in compact, and you can see as much many email as not as like the in the default and the comfortable. So that's basically how you can change the email inbox density in Gmail. We hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please leave it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye!